How to describe daily routine in English. Turn off the alarm. Turn off the alarm. Wake up from bed. Wake up from bed. Brush the teeth. Brush the teeth. Create a list of tasks for the day. Create a list of tasks for the day. Get some exercise. Get some exercise. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Water the plant. Water the plant. Take a bath. Take a bath. Get dressed. Get dressed. Brush the hair. Brush the hair. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. Eat a nutritious breakfast. Eat a nutritious breakfast. Read the news. Read the news. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Paint the picture. Paint the picture. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Cut the grass. Cut the grass. Paint the house. Paint the house. Rake the leaves. Rake the leaves. Clean the window. Clean the window. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Wash the car. Wash the car. Drive to work. Drive to work. Wait for the bus. Wait for the bus. Feed the dog. Feed the dog. Play with friends. Play with friends. Go shopping. Go shopping. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Go out with a friend. Go out with a friend. Take a nap after lunch. Take a nap after lunch. Listen to music. Listen to music. Take break and stretch. Take break and stretch. Take care of pets. Take care of pets. Pay bills or manage finance. Pay bills or manage finance. Cook or prepare meals. Cook or prepare meals. Plan for future events. Plan for future events. Read and respond to emails. Read and respond to emails. Arrive home. Arrive home. Spend time with family. Spend time with family. Surf the net. Surf the net. Prepare for the next morning. Prepare for the next morning. Make the bed. Make the bed. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.